Hey MB crew, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. So I'm starting off on an old afro that is now shrunken, but we about to whip it into shape. So I'm just gonna apply some water to loosen up my hair, and then I'm gonna part a section on the left side of my head. Well, obviously it's you guys' right, but it's my left. So I'm gonna part like a triangle section there. I want to try to get your part as straight as possible because this will be visible and you will be able to see it. So we're just going to set that off to the side and we're going to work on the majority of our hair. So I decided to pick out my hair a little bit more to make sure it's pretty detangled, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to go in with some OMG oil just to like protect my hair before applying the gel. And I'm going to be using the Edge Booster gel. Y'all know it's my favorite. It's perfect for if you're in a hurry and you need to do like a quick sleek style. This is gonna be the gel for you, okay? So that's what I'll be using. I'm gonna go ahead and brush down my baby hair so that I don't gel those up because I want to leave those out. And I'm just gonna take my brush and with my hand smooth my hair going upward. We are doing like a side puff, so you want to make sure you are pulling it over to the side. And I didn't use a whole lot of gel like I normally would use, y'all, because I just wanted it to not be super slick. I wanted to kind of have some texture, more texture to it, since I am doing like a puff, and you know that's okay. It doesn't always have to be super sleek. You get it to how you want it to be. You just kind of want to take your hands and just smooth it in the spots that you feel like might fall down. That's what I like to do. So I'm just making sure I don't have any pieces of hair that might come down because we don't want that. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my scarf to, you know, get my hair all right and tight. So yeah, I know normally I do a voiceover on this part, but we're not going to sleep. I'm just going to let my hair set for a few hours, you guys. I have a few errands to run, and when I get back, we're going to finish. So you can do this style in one setting, you know what I'm saying? You could even finish it right now, but I like to try to lay my hair down a little bit. So yeah. So I let my hair set for a while. We're going to move on to that section that we left parted out. So I'm just going to make sure I detangle the section. You want to do that. And I will be using some pink oil moisturizer on the section just to moisturize my hair. And we're going to go in with our little rubber band style. It's really simple, you guys. You can part your sections however you would like. As you guys can see, I'm kind of doing mine a little slanted. I'm only using the red tail comb for parting purposes. That's it. And I'm just going to take some Edge Booster Pomade, the thick and coarse one. And I'm just going to apply that to that section that I parted and smooth it on out. And I'm going to apply a rubber band there. I decided to use white rubber bands, but you can use whatever rubber band color you would like. It's up to you. And I'm literally just going to repeat the same steps. I did 4 sections. So I'm just going to go ahead and 2-strand twist each section. So I'm going to take these smaller bobby pins and I'm just going to gather the 3 twists right there. And we're literally just going to pin it down, and that won't show because your puff is going to cover it. And then I'm going to bring that one over to the side and pin it there as well. And then I'm just going to take some of the pomade and lay my baby hairs down. You definitely don't have to do this step. It is optional, okay? So I'm going to be using the Rock My Afro hair for my puff. You guys see me use this for my Mohawk. So I definitely wanted to show you guys you can reuse this hair. So this is just what the hair looked, and I already had it off into 3 sections because I used it for my Mohawk. But I'm going to show you guys how to, you know, put your band on. So you want to lay the hair on top and just pull the band through. So I'm just going to use 2 of those little sections basically. So I'm just going to apply the first one, as you guys can see here. I'm applying it kind of like to the side, and then I'm going to apply that one going in the opposite direction. I'm just going to kind of fluff out the hair with my fingers, and then we want to make sure that our real hair is covered up. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to pull some of the hair over my real hair like so, and it's disguised really easily. And then I'm just going to add a few more pins just to make sure my puff is secure. I want to take some Lustrous Pink Oil Sheen and spray my hair, and this is the final look. It is so cute. I love this style so much. You can do this on yourself, or if you have a daughter, you can do it on her hair as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.